Did you know a dealer could strand you on the side of the road on purpose and never break a single law doing it? A mother is stuck on the highway, two kids in the back seat, blown tire. She calls roadside assistance, no help. She calls the shop, no help. She calls the dealership that sold her the car, still no help. Because the night she drove off that lot, the dealer installed wheel locks on her car without telling her, and they kept the only key. Bobby digs into this, and what he finds is ugly. This is not a security feature. It is a trap. Dealers install proprietary wheel locks during prep, leave them off the paperwork, and pocket the key so you have no choice but to come back to them for every single tire service. A routine safety device turned into a leash. Here is what you need to know. Check your lug nuts right now. If they look different from the rest, you may already be locked in. Bobby and the crew break down how to find out, how to get free, and how to make sure this never happens to you.